So welcome back to the complex numbers in Python series, and as you can see, actually the last time I was recording, I forgot to actually save the changes made in the code, and I have to write it again, and for that time I will fast forward the videos. But one important thing, that is, I will be making some changes to the code which were not previously uh, implemented. Like previously, when you added or subtracted or multiplied to complex numbers, it just gave you the result as a string, but now it will give you a new complex numbers with the properties. Like if we add uh, a complex number z1 and another complex number z2, we will get another complex number which will be equal to z1 plus z2. So we will change our return type to complex from string. Okay. Well, actually, I have accidentally written subtract here, and now I have to correct it to division. Well, the previous video showed how to divide two complex numbers. If you haven't watched that, and if you don't have a mathematical background where you haven't studied complex numbers already, you can give it a try there. But if you have studied complex numbers before, like in school or college, I, that is, I don't think much required. So let's try with some other numbers which will be a bit easier to determine. I mean, like after the code has been done, we can calculate them and see if our code is accurate or not. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Have a nice day.